Hello everyone, I am Shobit Bharadwaj along with my teammate Sohail. I am going to present our final year project under the supervision of Professor Sachin Jain sir. Our project ID is 31 and title is Memory Partner. A memory partner is a mobile application backed by web application. So let's start from the introduction of our project. This project is about the technical solution of Alzheimer's disease, which leads to memory loss, major depression, and even death. Before talking about our solution, let's discuss what basically Alzheimer's is. Alzheimer's disease is one of the most common form of dementia, which is just not a memory loss, but it kills. People suffering from Alzheimer face problems like memory disorder, depression, stress, and many more symptoms connected to our brain. 1 in 3 adults dies of Alzheimer or other dementia. It kills more than breast cancer and prostate cancer. Alzheimer death has more doubled between 2000 to 2019. There are more than 55 million people worldwide living with dementia by 2021. Now, let's discuss about our problem statement. Our problem statement says that Alzheimer's disease and other form of dementia present human race as one of the most difficult challenges. According to the statistical research, someone in the world develops Alzheimer every 3 seconds. Alzheimer's disease is the sixth leading cause of death in the United States. Alzheimer is a chronic disease which causes brain cell death due to memory loss. Alzheimer develops very rapidly in people 65 years of age and older. The global number of adults over the age of 60 expected to reach 1.2 billion by 2025. To this critical problem, we are providing a solution which helps patients throughout their Alzheimer journey. Memory Partner is a mobile-based application supported by web application. This mobile-based application can help patients with dementia in the enhancement of their quality of life by targeting at their cognitive deficiencies. Generally, in the early phase of dementia, our mobile application can make people independent and socially engaged. This enables people to stay independent on their tasks of daily living and cut the potential cost of caregiver and hospitalizations.
Hello everyone, I am Sohail, and as Jobit has given us an overview of our project and what its objectives are, I'm going to tell you more about the project and show you its implementations. So we have the website built on Flask for the caregivers or the family members. This web server will contain all the informations and tasks for the patient which they can see directly on their mobile app, caregiver or hospital management to keep a track of the patient or their loved ones. This facilitates a closer connection to the patient while ensuring the privacy of the individual. The web application monitors the patient activity details, records, prescriptions, and many other valuable data. So let's start this web app. This is completely based on Flask, and as you can see, these are the endpoints for different web pages containing the templates or the HTML files here. And the backend is based on Flask. The app is starting, so let's wait for it. So yeah, we can now launch the app. So this is the home screen of our app. The web application can be either accessed by a caregiver or hospital management to keep a track of the patient or their loved ones. This facilitates or this facilitates a closer connection to the patient while ensuring the privacy of the individual. The web application monitors the patient activity, details, records, prescription, and any other valuable data. So as you can see, we have details of various patients, or we can add a patient here or a family member which is suffering from Alzheimer or any mental disorder. So we can add a patient like this, starting from the patient ID, which is unique, patient name, profile image, email, blood type, weight, age, height, stage of Alzheimer, address, the gender, and the phone number. Within history, patient history can include any medication history or the medicines that currently taken by the patient or any other medical reports. Coming to the contacts, we can add the important contacts for the patient that will be reflected directly into their mobile apps. So they can directly contact their family members or the close ones in case of any emergency or the memory loss. We can also feed the home data or any other locations that a person can need in case he forgets the route or path that he's currently traveling to. Then comes this section of prescription list. This list can contain any medications or the pills that doctors have recommended or the patient has to take. We can add the prescription here by the prescription ID, then patient ID, uh, and then we can just enter the times in the morning, afternoon, or evening. Like if I enter 9 a.m. in the morning, the patient will get a notification in the 9 a.m. morning, so they can take the medicine on time. We can also enter the quantity of the medication, how much they have to take, or schedule it on the weekdays or every day. Now let's jump to the mobile app and see how it works. These are various components of the app and the static files. We have different screens in our app, like this is the component for contact screen, then comes the location screens, then home screen and medicine screen and notes screen and many more, which I'm going to show you in the app itself. Let's jump to the mobile app, which is installed on our phone. So this is our app, and for the demonstration purpose, we have entered a patient named Harry with the address in Ghaziabad, UP. So as you can see on the home screen itself, the patient sees tasks for the day, and it also shows how many tasks he has completed and how many are left. For example, 1 of 10 tasks is completed total, and this week 11 tasks are done and 4 tasks are pending, and with 0 task has missed. So this is the overview of the home screen. For completing these tasks, patient get time to time notifications so he doesn't forget about them. After coming to the routine screen, here we have 4 features. First one is to create notes. A person can create notes in the form of text, or they can just create a video, or they can save uh, notes in the form of audio by speaking in mic. We can just go here and enter the note like that, and we can also add title to it and just save it then. And coming back to the home screen, we have some daily tasks which we can check out here, like these with their timings. And for the medicines, we have entered on the server, they are displayed here, and the user doesn't have to necessarily come here to check for the medicines. He also gets notification for them when the times arrive. And here comes the location part. For example, the person forgets the location of his or her home, So as we have entered the location into the server, it will be directly reflected here in the forms of longitude and altitude values. So when coming here, you can just go to the home and it will directly open the Google map with the directions to the home, or we can enter more places here. Then comes the contact part. We have entered these contacts on the server which are being displayed here, like we have Nancy as his daughter, Amy as nephew, and Tom as his brother. So this was the basic functionality of this mobile app. The mobile application is an one in all app for people with Alzheimer's. It acts as their personal checklist reminder, navigating them smoothly through all of their daily routines, incorporating easily accessible features as a whole. It is capable of recording day-to-day tasks either recorded by the user or caregiver, and look out whether the given tasks are executed chronologically. The easy to use dashboard enables the user to access all features easily with no prerequisite skills needed. The notes entered to save a task can be in the form of textual, voice, and video. It also enables the user to alert caregiver or a family member if they wander off or become disoriented or get lost. A medicine reminder feature makes user to take right medicine at right time in the right dosage. Tasks defined in the application can either be sorted daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly. Gamified memory training in the form of quiz ensures active participation of the user. The application is capable of saving contacts along with their picture and mobile numbers, which allows user to specify important contacts that can be triggered during emergency. So this was the whole functioning and implementation of our web application and the mobile app. Thank you.